I'm going to show you the only true way to get rid of anxiety forever. But before I tell you how, I need your full attention and trust. If you can't trust me enough to put this method into action and give it time to work, then do not watch this video. You'll be wasting your time and mine. Picture yourself getting ready to give a speech. You've been rehearsing for several weeks now, and the moment has finally come. You can feel tension inside your chest beginning to rise. Your palms and forehead begin to sweat. You get up on stage, stare out into the crowd of people, and instantly forget what you wrote. You stumble through your speech, boring people in the process, and only get a few claps. Now, picture the same thing, but this time, you're ready. You're still feeling it throughout your body, but this time it's excitement and it's much calmer. You're much calmer. You get up on stage and begin to wow the crowd. Laughs, claps, and a standing ovation as you finish your speech. This is the new you. So how do you do it? What's the method? Number 1, remind yourself every day that nothing is a big deal. Quit putting a big emphasis on things that don't matter. Even those things that seem to matter, like giving a speech, they really don't. In the grand scheme of the universe, this world that we've built for ourselves with jobs and bills and school and so on, it really doesn't matter. Remind yourself of this every day. Number 2, it's not your anxiety, but rather it's the anxiety that you're currently feeling. Don't associate yourself with the anxiety. It's not yours. You're not an anxious person, but rather it's just what you're currently experiencing. Just like you experience confidence and joy and sadness and happiness. Associate yourself with positive things like confidence. But anxiety? Nah, that's not yours. It's just a feeling. Because whatever you do associate yourself with becomes who you are. Third, understand that this too shall pass. Just like the clouds in the sky or a beautiful sunny day, it all goes away. Remind yourself of this while you're experiencing anxiety. It will go away. And the less you think about it, the quicker it'll pass. How do I know? Because I used to deal with extreme, generalized, and social anxiety for years. I was too uptight and everything was a big deal. I would talk about how bad my anxiety was. I would always try to fight it whenever I would feel a little anxious, even though I didn't realize that the more I thought about it and the more I fought it, the longer it lasted. I needed a solution and I found one. I combined multiple different things that I had learned into my own method. That was more than a half decade ago, which is why I can stand in front of you today and tell you about this method. Not only is anxiety a rarity for me, but if it does ever show up, it only lasts a few minutes. And 4, use positive affirmations. Every morning, tell yourself that you are amazing. You're smart, confident, and intelligent. Anxiety is caused by a lack of self-belief, a lack of confidence in yourself. Well, by telling yourself every day that you're amazing, your confidence will slowly begin to grow. This is crucial. You have to be your own biggest fan and cheer yourself on. Don't put yourself down. You're the best. Now, in addition, you can supplement your growth toward becoming a calm and unanxious person. You don't have to, but you most certainly can if you wish to get there quicker. And one such supplement is called cannabidiol, otherwise known as CBD. Studies have shown CBD to have anti-inflammatory benefits, improve sleep, reduce pain, and reduce anxiety, which is why we here at BeriBera took it upon ourselves to come out with our own line of premium CBD gummies. These things are super tasty and extremely helpful when it comes to conquering anxiety. Just be careful not to eat more than 1 or 2 of these per day because they really are that delicious. These things are made right here in the USA. They're third-party tested for validity and contain all organic ingredients. I take one myself every day and I gotta say that it's been huge in helping me to stay calm and confident. Check the link in the description and grab yourself a bottle of these bad boys. So to close out, 1, nothing is that important. 2, you are not the anxiety. 3, this too shall pass. And 4, positive affirmations. So get out there and put these steps into action and watch as you begin to overcome anxiety forever. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like and subscribe button. Smash that notification bell to stay up to date on all new videos. And as always, improve your body, improve your mind, improve the world.